Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dishonored like a pro. To truly master Dishonored, embrace the art of stealth. Your primary goal is to remain unseen, unheard, and untraced. This means carefully observing enemy patrol routes for at least 10 seconds, using dark corners and environmental cover to your advantage, and avoiding direct combat whenever possible. A ghost playthrough, where you complete missions without being detected or killing anyone, offers the most rewarding experience and unlocks specific achievements. Focus on non-lethal takedowns and clever navigation. Efficient movement is crucial for a professional Dishonored player. Your primary traversal ability, Blink or Far Reach, lets you cover significant distances silently and quickly, reaching high ledges or bypassing groups of enemies. Dark vision is invaluable, allowing you to see through walls and understand enemy sightlines up to 20 meters away. Possession offers unique ways to bypass obstacles or guards by inhabiting animals or even people for up to 30 seconds. Master combining these powers for fluid, undetectable navigation and strategic positioning. While stealth is paramount, knowing how to handle encounters non-lethally is key. The chokehold is your silent, close-quarters solution for rendering enemies unconscious. For ranged options, sleep darts are incredibly effective, incapacitating targets from up to 25 meters away without causing a ruckus. Look for environmental opportunities, like dropping objects or activating steam pipes, to create distractions or knockouts. If direct combat is unavoidable, master the parry and counterattack system. A well-timed block leaves enemies vulnerable for a quick, non-lethal knockout. Your gear and upgrades significantly impact your professional playstyle. Prioritize upgrading your mask for improved zoom capabilities and extended dark vision duration, giving you a tactical edge. Investing in boots reduces fall damage and makes your footsteps quieter, crucial for stealth. Bone charms offer powerful passive bonuses. Look for those that enhance mana regeneration, health, or stealth attributes. Experiment with crafting or finding corrupted bone charms, which provide potent effects but often come with a minor drawback, adding a layer of strategic depth to your loadout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.